Let's explore CRUD operations, focusing on creating documents in MongoDB collections. We will learn about inserting single and multiple documents. The create operation adds new documents to a MongoDB collection. There are two main methods for creating documents, one to insert a single document using the insertOne method, and another to insert multiple documents using the insertMany method. The insertOne method is used to insert a single document into a MongoDB collection. The basic syntax is collection.insertOne, passing the document you want to insert as an argument. Here is an example. First, define a user dictionary with the keys name and age. Then use users collection.insertOne, passing the user as an argument, and assign it to a variable called result. Here is a complete example of the insertOne method. First, import the Mongo client from the PyMongo library. Then create a Mongo client instance. Create a database named e-commerce and get a reference to the products collection. Define a product dictionary with the keys name, price, and category. The price is $999, and it's of the electronics category. Next, call products.insertOne, passing the product as an argument and assign it to a variable named result. The insertOne method returns an insertOne result object. To access the ID of the inserted document, use result.insertedID. This would return an object ID. To check whether the insertion was acknowledged by MongoDB, you can access the acknowledged property, which would return true. The insertMany method is used to insert multiple documents into a MongoDB collection. The basic syntax is collection.insertMany, passing a list of documents as an argument. Here is an example. First, define a list of users where each user is a dictionary with a name key. Then use users collection.insertMany, passing the list of users as an argument, and assign it to a variable called result. Here is a complete example of the insertMany method. The products variable is assigned a list of documents, each containing the name and price of a product. Then the insertMany method is called on the products_collection, passing the list of products as an argument, and the result is stored in a variable called result. The insertMany method returns an insertMany result object. To access the IDs of the inserted documents, use result.insertedIDs. This would return a list of object IDs. To check whether the insertion was acknowledged by MongoDB, you can access the acknowledged property, which would return true. Let's consider some key points about creating documents in MongoDB. First, MongoDB automatically generates an _ID field for each document. Documents must follow collection schema rules if defined. The insertMany method is faster than multiple insertOne calls. Both methods return result objects with inserted IDs. In summary, MongoDB provides two primary methods for creating documents: insertOne, which inserts a single document, and insertMany, which inserts multiple documents. Both methods return result objects with the IDs of the inserted documents. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.